How to make a poster in Canva. So go ahead and open your desktop browser. And if you don't have any Canva account yet, all you have to do is to sign up in Canva. You can use one of your accounts, either Facebook, Google, Gmail, Apple, and others to create a Canva account. Canva is a user friendly graphic design tool that you can use to create a lot of graphics, including your poster. And although it has features available for pro subscribers only, anyone can use it for free. So once you are signed in, you will be here on this dashboard. And the first thing to do is to choose a size or resolution for your product or customize one if necessary. To do that, click on the Create Design, select Custom Size on the bottom part, and then here you can input the specific size that you want. You can change it from pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Or you can also search for a specific paper here, like let's say A4, planner, or you can type in poster. So this is the usual standard size for poster that you can use. Once you search for poster, you will actually see different sizes for planners in here. You have landscape, portraits, basketball tournaments, and other events that you can make poster of. And another feature that is very helpful in Canva is this search engine. If you use the magic search engine, you will actually see a lot of built templates already. These are readily available templates that you can use for free and edit to personalize on your own. So let's say, for example, you want to do a poster for a Y2K party. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can use these templates as the starter of your own poster. So to use the templates, you can click on your chosen template. In this window, there are other posters with the same theme of the template that you clicked. Just go through these templates and you might find templates that has better elements, better color palette, and design overall. So once you have decided, just tap on the customize this template button and you can then access this editing page where you can lay out the poster. From here, you can then tap on the elements that you want to edit. Let's say you need to edit the text for your own event details. Just tap on the text and you can then edit the text itself. To change the font, go to the upper part of the editing page and here you can then see available fonts that you can use. You can also change the size. Beside is the color. And here are some alignment, effects, position, and opacity. You can edit these graphics and images as well. You can basically edit every element that you can see here. Now, if you're making a poster from scratch, again, go to the dashboard and click on Create a Design. Again, input or search for the size of poster that you need, and then enter that in. Here we will have a blank canvas, and the first thing that you can do is to change the background color. Just click on the Canva and tap on this color icon. It's on the upper right corner, and from here, just choose a color that you want. You can then enter specific hex code that you want. Let's say, for example, I searched for this color palette in Pinterest and the hex code is here. So once you enter that in Canva, it will reflect the same shade of color. Now moving on to the side tab here on the left, we can use this elements tab to search for images if ever you want image for the background. So let's say I want a pizza poster and I just want a dark black background for that so that the main object will pop out. In that case, I will just search for a black gradient or textured background and all the elements will show here. So as you can see, here are some graphics, vectors, videos, audio, and frames. So just choose one in here and once you click on it, it will then be on your canvas. And then just adjust its size and placing. Now, since this is a pizza poster, I will also use this element tab to search for a pizza, of course. So simply type that in and then I'll choose the one that has the best quality for me. Now, to highlight the main event, I will add a white gradient circle at the back. just to make the pizza pop out from the black background. After this, I'll be adding the title. So let's say this is a poster for a pizza new flavor. So let's type that in. Or to make it more encouraging, we can put in tastier and hotter pizza. Again, to edit the text, highlight the words, go to the upper right corner to access available fonts, and then simply choose the font that you want. Beside the font style are the settings for the font size, font color, some format, alignment, and a lot more. Once you are done with your main text, you can now move forward to some slogans and smaller text and information in your poster. So once you are done with the text, the next thing that you can access, if you're not subscribed to the Pro plan, is the Canva. If you are not subscribed to the Pro plan of Canva, is the upload. This is where you can upload your own images or images that you got from other websites. To utilize this, just click on the upload files. The folders on your device will then open, and from here you can select the images that you want to use. This draw tab is for the freehand inks that you want to add. So for example, this pen, you can tap on the pen and you will then be able to draw using the pen tool. You can use this arrowhead to select the specific ink and move it. You can use this to change the color. And lastly, this is for the weight or the thickness of your material. And here you can adjust the opacity as well. So this feature is not used as much, specifically in formal layout like presentation and posters. But if this is what you prefer, then you can freely use it. Now, going back to the designs, you can go to the styles, and here there are available color palettes, usually from the images uploaded in your project. So let's say I'm not satisfied with this. I can simply click on the palette that I prefer, and it will then change your whole page, adapting the color from the palette that you chose. You can tap on the same palette again, and it will change the combination of colors on your page. You can also use the search tab if you're going for a specific mood for your poster, or just tap on these available moods. Now, if you want to change the fonts as well, go back to the template beside the styles. Here, let's say I want the font type of this. I'll simply click on the three dots on the top and look for the apply style only. In this way, the color and the font combination will be applied on your design. After this, just simply click on the share button, click on download. Make sure to select the file type that you want and then proceed to download it. So that is how to make a poster in Canva. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.